There you go, our beautiful girls going into surgery. Nothing but good vibes for this beautiful muñeca. All right.
Nothing but good vibes.
Yes, our beautiful muñecas visit us all the way from
Sacramento, California.
Yes, and she is engaged. So wish her good luck and wish her the best.
Thank you.
And she's gonna allow us to record them. So, right?
Yes.
Are we ready? Hi beautiful girls and guys out there, Angel here. I hope all you beautiful girls and guys are doing amazing. Again, sharing our beautiful muñecas journey here at Muñecas. Our beautiful muñeca is here from Sacramento. She's here with her fiance, so please wish her nothing but good vibes. She's getting full body sculpture, lipo, BBL, muscle repair, and chin lipo. Stay tuned to see the rest. Ciao, let's get them. Hi beautiful girls and guys out there, our beautiful muñeca's doing amazing. They're gonna start working on her tummy tuck, muscle repair. Again girls, stay tuned to see the rest. Ciao, let's get it. Hi beautiful girls and guys out there, our beautiful muñeca's doing amazing. Family and friends, she's doing great. We're working on the tummy tuck. Ciao, let's get it. Beautiful girls and guys out there, another beautiful day here at Muñecas. Our beautiful muñeca is resting. Thank you for all those beautiful messages towards our beautiful muñeca. You guys don't even know her, and you guys were blessing her and speedy recovery. I love it. Keep giving us that vibe. Let's get it.